Okay.
Okay.
M.
So we can. Last week we looked at various letters.
Mm.
Enyuguta. We looked at the ha.
Mm.
We looked at this one is read as ja, where we have enjangu, enjejere, ija, which means come, and then we had one of the words that we used to reply when they called you, which is called wanji.
Wanji. Wanji.
Yes.
Wanji. So the J A is ja.
Yes, yes.
And
Okay, only in this word do we read it as wanji. This is like a borrowed word. It is borrowed from another language. Yeah, because our normal Runyankole word for replying was, if they say Dennis, then I say eh. So it was looking awkward.
if you said a or ego.
Yes. So if you call me Dennis, then I say eh. It would look awkward. So people had to adapt to wanji. If they say Dennis, I say wanji.
Okay. 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 All right.
Then we looked at.
Yes. A is short for ego, for yes.
Yes, ego.
Ego. So before you move off this, so for the J's, so it's ja, J,
G, Jo, Ju.
Jo, Ju. So is it G or is it G or is it G?
We have this word omji. G.
G. One G.
But
G.
This one is borrowed. That's why it is written as G. That's why we read it as G. 1G.
1G. So it's one G, not 1G.
1G.
1G. Understand.
It's a borrowed word because I remember when I was still young. Now we had this lady who was our sister and got married to Uganda, to the Central. So he came and called my cousin, who was the brother, said, Linus. Then this one says, oh, said, no, are you a frog, please? When I call you, say Wanji.
Wanji.
So as time went on, people got on like adopting, and finally now most of them, when you call him, he says Wanji.
So when you say it's a borrowed word,
yes, it is borrowed.
Borrowed from which from
Uganda.
From Uganda.
Yes.
From Uganda. Okay. And in Uganda, you would say one. Would you say in Uganda? Would you say Wanji?
Yes.
Or Wanji?
Wanji.
Oh, so you'd say exactly the same way.
It depends. Some people pronounce it, but the best way is if a person calls you, you say Wanji. He will know you have heard him.
Okay. Got it. Okay.
Then we went to K, where we had Omakazi, which means wife or woman. We had Echitabo, which means book. Then Kureva, which means to see. Then we
Great.
see something special in Ankole which is called ekitoche.
Ekitoche.
Which is one banana. If there are many bananas, ebitoche.
Ebitoke,
Yes.
if it's many. But ekitoke
Is
if
one.
it's one. I told Jackie about what you told me about the name for mini bananas, and she was like, I have never heard that, and she's like, so what is that again? I said, yeah, Dennis had said they got it from It's a Bit Okay.
Yes.
It's a bit okay. I told her that, and she started laughing, and she wrote it all down. She loved hearing about that.
Ebitoke. Ebitoche.
She actually said that she loves learning what I learned from you so much that sometime in the future she wants to sit in on our class and she just wants to listen.
Yeah, actually, I saw now many people are aiming to learn the language because it was actually dying out because our kingdom collapsed. Our kingdom collapsed in 1966.
Oh.
So other countries have promotion of their culture and languages, but ours, there was nothing to promote it. But it's good that during 2015, when I was doing my bachelor's project, that is when I thought about the idea to make a translator. And of course, you see, it has made more and more that I feel I should do all my research in the language.
Yes. This is great. I'm thankful for you. You got yourself probably a lifelong student.
So in the future, maybe I'll be among the people known to have promoted the language in the region. Yeah,
that would be
because
nice.
my thesis is about to making the language translator. And I saw in some new vision they had predicted in some news that by this time this language will be dead.
Oh, that Runyankole would be dead?
Yeah.
Really?
I quoted it in my research that they had predicted because no one was writing anything about it. Actually, when I started, there was only one PDF that was written about this language, and then now there is only one website that has only Runyankole words, that is in Runyankole. Yet other countries, other languages have content, like for the kingdoms, they have their own news, their own like websites in their own language.
So the other countries or the other tribes?
Yeah, the tribes that have kingdoms.
But the Runyankole do not have anything except for you.
Yeah, so I came up. Other guys I see have taken up.
Well, I can tell you right now that this is wonderful that you're doing this, and you're keeping the language. You will keep the language alive by doing it, because the site, everything that you write and you publish, I mean, it would be great to see Runyankole increase because of your efforts. That would be really good.
Yes, preserving languages.
Yeah, because it'd be sad it'd be sad to hear about a language dying, and I'm sure there's languages that die every year. I'm sure there's a small percentage in the world where languages are dying from different tribes from different parts of the world. So gotta preserve our cultures.
Yes.
Our traditions. Very important.
So
Okay.
we move to where we have chamushana, that is lunch. Then
Yeah. Mushana.
chamushana. I think I didn't add this word. Chachiro, something like that. This is supper.
So the KYA is
Sorry. This is like this chachiro.
Chakiro or
It comes
Chachiro?
from, yes, chachiro.
Chachiro. Chachiro.
Yes, but it comes from the word echiro. Echiro is night.
I get.
So it means something in the night. Chachiro, food of the night. Then this chamshana
That
comes from the word omshana. Omshana, which means day, or which means sun. It is
Omshana.
sun. Omshana.
sun. Okay.
So that is why we call it. Yes.
Chamushana.
Chamushana, chachuro.
Chachiro.
Yes.
Chamushana. Chachiro.
Chachiro is supper.
Supper.
Yes. So if I ask a person that mwarire, chachuro, this is like, have you eaten supper? Of course, with a question mark.
Imrari.
Mwarire. Mwarire chachuro.
Imaride.
Mwarire.
Imaride. Imaride.
Mwarire chachuro. Ma.
Maride. Ah.
Yes.
Chachiro.
Ma always means many people.
Moi. Moi ride. Moi ride.
Chachuro.
Mauride. Chachiro. Mauride. Mauride.
Mwarire. Mwarire.
Ma. Ride.
Yes.
Read. Mauride. Mauride.
Yes.
Mauride. Mauride.
A mwarire chachuro. This is for many
Ride.
people.
So if I was speaking to a group of people or come into the door and see my family, Mauride Chachiro.
Yes. Then if you want to say one person, then it will be warire. Warire chachuro. Have you eaten supper?
Ah.
This is like one when you know that that person is alone, so you ask her, warire chachuro.
Mauride. Ah. Mauride Chachiro.
Yes. Or you can say
So.
chachiro
Chachiro.
waryachi.
Waryachi. Chachiro. Waryachi.
Yes. This word means what? We read it as chi. Waryachi.
Chi. Warachi. Waryachi. Waryachi. Chi.
Then warya is have eaten. So it is, what have you eaten? Waryachi.
Chachiro. Wariachi. Wariachi.
So waryachi, then chachiro for supper.
Chachiro wariachi.
Yes.
What have you eaten for supper?
Chachiro waryachi.
Chachiro wariachi.
Yeah.
Chachiro wariachi. That's easy to remember.
Then the person can say narya ebitoche.
Narya ebitoche. Narya, I have.
Yes.
Narya.
Ebitoche.
Is it? It's narya or narya.
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 Yes.
Narya.
Yeah.
I have.
I
Narya.
have.
Ebitoche.
So there you can
Got it.
add any food. Narya nyama. Narya omucheri.
So narya means I have eaten.
Eaten.
Okay, eaten. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Eaten. So a lot of these, like a have or want or something like that, it's assumed the I. It's not like you're actually saying, you're not actually writing the word I have. It's
Yes,
just that
yes.
the I is assumed. And
Na.
right?
Na means I.
Oh,
Yes.
the in means it's an I. Okay, nah. Got understand. Nadia.
Nadia. So we move to this one. I just added it. I just remembered it today. Because it is a common word, you may need to ask your wife, what have you eaten for supper?
Which I ask that every day.
Yes.
In English, but it'd be nice to ask it in Runyankole.
Yeah.
Chachiro o wariachi. Chachiro wariachi. Chachiro wariachi. Chachiro wariachi. Orale Chachiro.
Okay, I will send it to you.
Orale Chachiro.
Okay, I will send it to you.
Okay. Wait.
Then, where were pictures? Okay, now we go to the next. Ma. We had not done this. Ma.
We have not. Ma.
So the same way we see ma, me,
me,
mi, mo,
mo,
mu.
mu.
So we had this word like a, ma,
Mate. Amate.
amate.
Milk.
This is milk. Then we have a word like o, omu, show, show,
show,
me,
sa,
omshomesa. That's a teacher.
omoshamesa,
Yeah.
shomesa. You. Omosha, you. Omoshamesa.
Omshomesa.
That's you. You are my omoshamesa.
Ego, exact ego. Then we have okushemererwa. Okushemererwa.
Rua. To be glad, happy.
Be glad or to be happy.
Okusheme re ra.
Yeah.
Okushemererwa. Oksheme.
Okushemererwa.
Okshe.
Mererwa.
Okushu. Is it oku or ok or okushu?
Okushemererwa.
Okushu. So you don't really pronounce the U. It's kind of.
Yeah. Okushemererwa.
Okushu mereya.
Because this is oku, then she, me, re, wa.
Ra. To be glad, happy. Okay.
Then we have a word like nashemererwa.
Nashemerera. I am happy. That's one that I can use every day. Nashemerera. Nashemerera.
Nashemererwa. We have a word like twashemererwa. We are happy. So when we had the twa, it now means we.
Twashemererwa.
We are happy. Then we have MET.
MET.
Those are trees. Amababi.
Amababi. Leaves.
Amababi. Leaves.
Amababi.
Yes.
Papa. Papa. So they both mean Papa and Bobby both mean leaves.
But this Papa can mean wings.
Oh.
Yes.
Papa can mean wind.
Wings.
Wind. Like WIND. Wind.
Wings.
Oh, wings. Like a bird's wings.
Can mean wings. Wings like of a hen. Because you see, leaves are more like wings.
I see. Because they can be carried by the air.
Yes.
By the wind.
That is why we have them being called Amapapa. So some people will say Amababi gemiti. Leaves of trees.
Amapapa emeti.
Gemiti.
Leaves of trees. Emeti.
Yeah, Amapapa.
Amapapa emeti.
Papa gemiti. Or they can say Amababi gemiti.
Gemiti. Papa emeti. What is the ge?
These are all leaves of trees.
Oh, ge is.
Yeah, I'm meaning this ge. It's like of. Papa ga. Sorry. It's supposed to be ga.
Papa ga.
Ga emiti.
Emiti.
Yeah, but now we shall see it in front. Let me not take you there. But when we are pronouncing it, the A is lost. And we call it Amapapa gemiti.
I'm a papa. Gemity. So it's just combine the two together, Gemity, and just drop the E, the E sound, and just go, or drop the A, drop the A. Just say
Yes.
Gemity.
Drop the
Gemity.
A. Yeah.
Drop the A. Okay. Gemity.
Yes. Then we have Emondi.
Emondi. Irish potatoes.
Irish potatoes.
This is good. Jackie has Irish potatoes a lot.
They are mainly grown in Kabale.
Grown where?
Kabale.
Cavati. Where's that? What part of the country is that in?
Motorcycles.
Hmm?
Kabale is a mountainous area in Uganda. It experiences environment close to winter.
So is it near Jinja?
No, deep in when you go to Mbarara, you continue to Kabale. It is near a country called Rwanda.
Going southwest.
Yes.
Okay, got it.
So they were the ones who grow Irish potatoes. But now they bring them and we eat them. Then we have Munywani. Moon.
Moon. Moon. Moon. It's a moon. Yawani.
Yes.
Moo.
Munywani. That's a
friend.
Munywani wanje.
Wani.
Yes. Munywani wanje.
Yani Wanji.
Wanje.
Wanje.
Yes.
Wanje. Okay. So that's with the J in there. Does that mean good friend?
This
With
is
the J.
my.
Y-E?
Wanje is my.
My.
Yeah.
Okay. I noticed it has the G-Y-E, and that means good, right?
Yeah. Yes. Of course. Munywani is a good friend.
My good friend. Okay.
Then we shall see
Wani.
other possessives, because this is wanje means my. Then, but my friend. So we go to what? Nah. So we have.
Hey, this is good. We're more than halfway through the consonants. Okay.
We have na, ne,
Na,
ni,
ne,
no,
ni, no,
nu.
nu.
We have the word kunaga.
Kunaga.
Yes, that is to throw away.
Kunaga.
Yes. We have the word kunava. Sorry. Kunava.
Kunava. With a V sound.
Yes.
Not a B.
Kunava.
Kunava. To bathe.
That is to bathe.
Kunava.
Then kunava is to wash.
Kunavisa.
Visa. Kunavisa. Then we have Nyeneka. Nyeneka means father or household. But this one is a title we don't call Like you don't say Nyeneka. Like this is used in case you got a family and then you ask them, Nyeneka, where is the father? Where Nyeneka alingai?
Nyeka.
Nyeneka.
Nyeka.
Nyeneka.
Yineka. So when you have the N and the Y,
that is read as ni.
Ni, not N, but ni.
Yes, read as ni. Ni.
Okay.
Ni.
Ni.
Yeah, the Y comes in. Ni. Because this one would be yi. So when you put the ni, it is ni.
Ni.
So some other people, who are old people in the language, were proposing that this word should not be because this nyine eka, this means somebody who has a home. Yeah, like the house head. But when you say nyena means mother.
Nyena.
We have
so
nyena.
They start.
Then we have ishe. Ishe means like if you are talking about somebody's father. Nyena, ishe.
Nyena. Nyena, isha.
Like if you're talking about maybe you're talking to somebody about maybe you're talking about the mother of your wife, you will refer to her as nyina, w'omukazi wanje, mother of my wife.
Mother of my wife.
Yes. Like if you go to parties, you will hear them say nyina w'omushiki alinkahi. This is mother. So these people were proposing that if you say nyina eka, you're meaning that is the mother of the home. So they were proposing that instead the word should be isheka, to mean father of the home.
Isheka.
And then to mean mother of the home, they use nyineka.
Nyineka.
But you will only hear it on parties when they say isheka rinkahi. Where is the father of the house? Yeah. When they are talking about him, but they don't want to say, they want to generalize who is the head of this family. Isheka.
Isheka.
So you will hear them say, speeches, we shall have a speech for Isheka.
Isheka.
Meaning speech of the father or the house head. Because he may not necessarily be the father, but he's the house head.
Oh, I see.
Because there may be some adopted children. Then we have amajani, which is tea.
I've seen this on box labels in the store. Yeah. Amajani.
Are you having an appointment after this hour?
No, I just called Jackie after this. Why?
Okay. Then we have omwani, coffee.
Omwani, coffee.
That is just ordinary coffee when it is still not either a tree or the seeds. We all call it omani.
Okay, so even so in this case, let's say coffee beans. Would I
Omani.
say Owani? Would I say what's the word for beans? Ebe? Oh gosh.
Yeah, we still call the beans omani.
Omwani. Okay, so you don't have to say the word beans. It's just it covers that. Omwani covers coffee or coffee beans.
Yeah, and unfortunately, we never used to consume coffee.
Oh.
Yes, we would grow the coffee because coffee used to be there a long time ago. They told us coffee was introduced by the people called Bachwezi.
But people called who?
The Bachwezi. These people are called demigods. They were like demigods, tall, white. That's what they tell us in history.
Demigods. Oh, okay. Tall, white, like angels?
Yeah, that's what they tell us.
Coffee was brought by demigods. But Bachwezi.
Yeah, Bachwezi.
Bachwezi. Interesting.
But then, as who have studied geography, we know coffee is grown in Brazil, and we know coffee is grown in other areas of the world. So possibly that is what the Ankole Kingdom says. Coffee was brought by the Bachwezi. They don't know where it came from.
Oh, I see.
So the promotion of growing coffee came when the explorers came, the administrators, the British administrators, because for them they consume coffee, so they made coffee to be grown in Uganda.
So, and about history, so tea comes from China. That's where tea originally started from.
Yes.
When did tea get introduced to Uganda? I've been to China, and Chinese have been drinking tea for thousands of years.
Yes.
And it wasn't until the English went to China that then the British brought tea back to England, and then it went around the world.
Yeah, actually. They also brought it and encouraged growing it in my country.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of tea plantations west of Mbarara.
Yeah.
On big hills.
Yes.
Big
also
hill.
In Ginger. Then mostly when you're going to Kasese, Fort Potro. When you're going to the western Uganda.
That's where I've seen them at.
A lot of plantations.
Yeah, I've seen the plantations, many out there on the way to Queen Elizabeth.
Yeah, exactly.
Beautiful plantations. I want to go to one of them. But okay, so the British, you call them the British administrators, brought
yes
brought as well.
And then we have omani, which is coffee. But Ankole did not grow tea. My area didn't grow tea. We loved taking it. I don't know why, but people used not to take coffee. That is why. Omani, we used not to drink coffee. We would only drink amajani.
Amajani tea.
Coffee would grow export. They knew where to take it. Growing for sale.
Oh, grow for sale. Okay.
No consuming it.
And coffee to this day is really not drank a lot by Ugandans, right? It's mostly tea.
Hmm. Then we have mononga, which means march. This one we have seen it.
Yeah, this one I seen. I say this every day.
Mm.
Nonga. Mm.
Then this one, though we rarely say it.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Buttock.
It means echibuno,
well.
which is a buttock.
Echi-
Okay, it is buttock.
Echibuno.
No. Then we have
Echibuno.
empuno.
Empuno.
Pig. Stock pork. Actually, yeah.
Oh, I thought I recognized that. Empuno. Oh,
Yes.
Empuno.
One
Okay.
of the most loved
One of the most what?
most loved meat.
Yeah, there's a lot of people. I don't eat pork, but I know a lot of people do.
Yes.
Empuno. Mm.
Then we have nya.
Yeah.
Nowadays we have this thing like okay, this one is just a slang. Okay, so we have nya, nye,
Yeah. Yay.
ni,
Ni.
nyo,
Nyo.
nyu.
New.
So we have enyanya.
Inyanya. Inyanya. Tomato.
Enyanya.
Inyanya. Mm.
Then we have, that's tomatoes. Enyama.
Inyama.
That's meat.
Meat. Inyama.
We have nyenchakare.
Yi chak. Yin chakare.
Which is tomorrow.
Chakare. Yin chakare. Tomorrow. Yin chakare.
Yeah. We have omujeni.
Omuchini.
Omujeni.
Omugeni.
Ni.
Omugeni. Ni. Ni. Omogeni. Is it omogin or omoj?
Omujeni.
Omoj ni. Ni.
Yeah.
Omojeni.
Enyondo.
Enyondo. Enyondo.
Can you read for me that word?
Hmm?
This one.
Enyendo.
Enyindo.
Enyendo.
Enyindo.
Enyendo.
That's a nose.
Enyendo. Enyendo. Yash.
Have you heard about this word?
So hold on, before you write it, is that woman's butt? Like a butt for the women? I've heard that.
Yeah, this is a bird.
I have heard this online when guys are talking that, oh, she's got a very nice nyash.
Yes. Okay. It's a borrowed one.
Okay.
So that is nya.
Yeah.
So we
I
have,
have heard that one.
yes, we have enyungu. We used to cook with pots. Have you ever seen how a pot looks like?
You mean just like the metal ones that you see like at Frames or Carrefour?
Pot, not like that.
Mm.
A pot is mainly the traditional one. Our pots were like these ones, made of clay.
Oh, you mean where they're thin at the bottom and they come up like this?
Yes,
Or
yes.
the ones that you would put millet in?
Mm. Then would use them for cooking a lot of stuff.
So yeah, I know it. I know which ones you're talking about. Jackie's Kuhinjua,
Mm.
her auntie, has a bakery, made 3 cakes in the shape of a nyunga.
Mm. So
Yeah,
this
like
is the
that.
one.
But okay. Oh, so this is a little bit bigger than the ones I was thinking of that had millet in it.
Yeah, that is called that's a small pot. It's called a chanzi.
Ichani. Okay.
A chanzi. Okay, because it doesn't fall in this category, but it is a chanzi. So this is a
Mm.
nyungu. Would use this one as a saucepan, cooking beans. This one was for cooking beans and meat and water.
Mm.
Then
Mm.
there was one with an open mouth for cooking millet.
I see. Mm. Enyungu.
And
Enyungu.
this is a pot. Okay. Oh. Can we add on? Tugumizemu or tuheze? Hello.
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Tugumizemu? I'm asking. Should we continue?
Oh, yes, please. I'm sorry. Yes.
Okay.
Let's make this slide the last slide.
Okay.
Got it.
So we have pa. So this pa is rare except after ma and in words of foreign origin.
Rare except for.
So we have words like pa, it is pa, pe, pi, po, pu. We have empare.
Empare. Trousers, knickers, pants, shorts. Empare.
Then we have. Oh, we should have another one called empara. Empara is like it runs very fast. Is it a Uganda cop? Uganda cop empara, which in English is called the impara.
I see. Uganda cob. Okay.
It's an animal that runs very fast.
Okay, that's the one on the country flag, right?
Yeah, if you go to Queen Elizabeth, there are many there.
We saw them at Queen Elizabeth. Many.
You just threaten them like this, it takes off.
Ugandan cob.
Then we have pasi.
Pasi.
That's a flat iron.
So, like for ironing clothes?
When you say iron box.
Oh,
yeah, it can be the iron box. Then we have empapura. Empapura. Peppers.
Empapura. Empapura.
Mm.
Paper. Empapura.
Then we have empangare.
Empangare. Youthful girl.
Yes.
Empangare.
We have
So when you say empangare, youthful girl, up to what age? Like
empangare.
up to like teenage
Yes.
and younger.
Empangare. So this is like
Empangare.
girls in the teenage age.
Okay, good.
Before they get married.
So it could apply to young girls that are maybe in their early 20s but not married yet.
Yeah, from like 12. The moment they begin bring breasts up to like 25 or 30.
Got it.
Then
Understand.
we have empeta.
Empeta.
That's a ring.
Empeta.
Empinduka. Change.
Empinduka. Change. Empinduka.
Then we have empogora. This is unpeeled cooked food.
G-nuts, ground nuts. Okay. Matoke.
Ground nuts when they are in their shells. So, but if you ask her watekachi, and then it tells you nateka empogora yebitoche.
Matoke.
Empogora yebitoche, meaning I cooked bananas but I never peeled them.
Oh, empogora. So empogora. I see. Unpeeled cooked food. I understand. Empogora.
Yebitoche. This is unpeeled bananas. Because because the G-nuts matoke. But if you ask a person watekachi, he can say nateke empogora. You automatically know that he has cooked tea and peeled matoke, because this empogora of G-nuts, we rarely prepare it as a meal.
Right.
Then we have empunu. Yeah, we have read about it. Okay.
Yes. Yeah, that was the last one. I remember that.
Then
Okay.
we have empunji. Empunji. Empundu. This is a gorilla. Empundu. Now, when you go to Embundu, this is a gun. So if a person says Nareva Embundu, it is very easy to confuse it and with Embundu, Empundu. If you don't pronounce well the P, then you change the meaning of the word.
Oh, so Empundu. So you got to really make sure to pronounce Pundu, as opposed to Bundu. Is it Bundu or is it with a V? Bundu.
Embundu. That's a gun.
So, but is the third letter EMB is the boo? Is that pronounced with a B or a V as in Victor?
Mbu. Embundu.
Embundu.
And then this one also is Empundu. Empundu.
Ampoon. So it's ampoon do.
These ones you see them when you're going to Queen Elizabeth. I think you saw them on the road.
Yes. There you go. I did.
So
Ampoon. Okay. Okay, so this is great. I got some training to do this week. Some homework. I'll go over these, and I will take your quiz. I'm looking forward to doing that.
Yes,
and,
yes.
That would be fun. But yeah, if you could send this to me, something an updated one, and I'll start studying it.
Yes, yes.
And how many hours are we in? I mean, you've been tracking the hours, so how are we doing on the time, the money that I gave you?
Oh, the hours. I will not take a note of the hours. But since this Saturday is always within my relaxation time, like it will be until when we finish the slides.
Okay.
Because by that time I knew that by the time we finish the slides we shall be through with the hours.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Yes.
Okay, good. So if I want to say just like just now, I just said, okay, kare, good. How would I say that? Obviously, kare meaning okay, but how would I say good?
Good.
Just good. I wouldn't say J, would I?
Good, you can say nichirunji. It is good.
Nikurunji.
Nichirunji.
It's good.
Nichi.
Chi. Nichikurunji. Nichirunji.
It's good.
Nichirunji. It's good. Nichirunji. Okay. So I say that a lot. Nichirunji.
I will add another slide. No, I just want a slide with a goodbye. I'm looking for a slide with a goodbye. With the goodbye word. Looking for a slide with a goodbye.
You can do a control F, and it'll do a search for you.
I can search, by the way.
You cannot?
I can search. Okay, control S.
Control F and then type in goodbye.
No, something. Okay, let me just make a new new slide. Okay, orareje. Then you reply ni orareje.
There we are. Orareje.
Obusinje. Buveniwe.
Bube.
Yeah, we always return a greeting to greeting.
So
if I
say
Obusinje Buveniwe, peace be with you. Then you also reply Neiwe Buveniwe.
Bube. Newe, bube, newe.
Veniwe. So orareje.
Orareje.
Because for you
so,
it is in the during day.
So that means just you two.
Yeah, for you will say I will tell you Osibeje. And then you will say, you will tell me orareje. Just because we are in different time zones. So, osibeje.
That's osibeje. How was your day?
No, have a good day.
Have a good day. Have a good day. Orareje is have a good night.
Then for you, you will wish me a good night and say orareje.
Orareje. Have a good night. Got it.
Then I'm going to say obusinje bubeniwe.
Obusinje bubenewe. Obusinje bubenewe.
This is your response. You reply to me, niwe bubeniwe.
Niwe.
Bubeniwe.
Nine bube niwe. Niwe bube niwe.
Okay.
Got it.
Bye.
Nichirunji.
Yeah, it's good.
Orareje.
Orareje. Osibeje.
Got it. Have a good week. Take
Good
care.
week to week nunji. Sunday nunji.
I'll put that in there and send to me.
I like sorry. Sunday nunji. Sunday nunji. Good week.
Sunday nunji. Good week. Sunday.
Niwe. Sunday nunji.
Nunji.
And you too, a good week.
And you too. I will. This is good. Niwe Sunday Punji. Sunday. Have a good week. Nunji. Good week.
You too, a good week. Have a good week.
Hold on. Punji. That means Punji. What does that mean? Punji.
Nunji.
There's a black bar. I can't see a word.
The word is nunji. Nunji.
Nunji.
Yes.
Nunji. Okay. Now wait. Sunday nunji. Okay. Sunday nunji. Okay. Sunday nunji. Got it.
Okay. Bye.
Okay. Take care.
Yeah.
Anyway, Sunday nunji. Sunday nunji.
Sunday niwe. Sunday nunji.
Bye.
Okay, it's done and I have to get my freedom.